Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to trim or cut videos inside Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to trim or cut your videos, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. Now trim or cut feature is only available for Instagram posts. So you just have to try to add a post, tap on this plus option, select post and select the video which you want to trim. So let's say I'm going to trim this video here. Just select the video, then tap on this next option, and here you will get an option of cut or chisel type option. You just have to select that option from here. Once you have selected, you have to grab this in point or out point you want to cut or trim the video. So just grab this. So also from this side. So once you have done, you have cut it or trimmed your video as you want. Just tap on this next option here. Then tap on share option. It will create a trimmed video for you. So in this way you can easily trim or cut your videos inside Instagram app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.